Estrada do Campo. We're gonna head up over this hill and into Coloane village from this location. Lots of construction on this road too, so I can capture this while it's being modified and changed. Okay, check it all out. Chiquinha, Chiquinha. Go check out the road. Chiquinha. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Estrada do Campo. Let's go check it all out. Yeah, I got a little bit of construction, beautiful trees. And over here, we're walking over, it's kind of like a little shipbuilding factories. And we just did another video where we walked by all the shipbuilding factories as well. But now we're going to be walking down Estrada do Campo. Looks like they're putting pipelines in or something, water lines or something. Nice breeze up here. I was walking down there and it wasn't much of a breeze, so you can overlook some of the factories over there and the bicyclists. Yeah, and we're going to be walking towards Coloane. It's like we're going to be walking past the construction in a minute. And then you just kind of have all these mountains. Oh, there's some buildings way up there. I don't know if you can see them in the dark through this camera or not. I saw a lot of bamboo when I was walking down there. And I wonder if some of these are bamboo as well in here. I'm not sure. We're gonna keep on walking. We'll kind of give you a little bit of update right now. So we're in Macau. It is August 8th, I believe. We just came off of a little bit of a COVID scare. So there was 4 cases coming from, originally from Xi'an, China. That's kind of cool looking car. And amazingly to that family, kudos to them. The student, the young one, brought it and gave it to their, I think it was a female, and gave it to her brother and to her parents. And all 4 of them are being hospitalized. I don't know if they were vaccinated or not. Nobody really talked about it. But this is the COVID era, and that's the first cases of local transmission in Macau in about 16 months since it started way back in 2020 in March. Originally Macau had, it was like one of the first ones to get cases from China originally when it was started in China 17 months ago. Then Macau closed up its borders quite tightly, and then we haven't had any cases at all, and it's been very restrictive. Mainland Chinese can come and go, but nobody else can come. No foreigners, especially no foreigners. Even foreigners with work visas aren't allowed to come back to their jobs or their apartments or their families or whatever they have. They couldn't come back. And that's been that way for the last 16 or 17 months. But they opened up the border to Chinese tourists quite a while ago to keep the economy going. And I think it's kind of a matter of time before somebody would get something, and they did. But surprisingly, there hasn't been any other cases. But I think not quite out of the woods yet for at least 14 days. Oh, this is prison. Okay, so just keep on walking. I don't want to film a prison. Okay. Well, I mean, the prison's visible to anybody that walks by, so I don't think I'm not sure what that is. It's pretty cool though. Yeah, we're basically walking in Coloane. That might be also part of, there's also like prison kind of stuff over there too. I thought the prison was in a different location. I thought there was some other buildings that I thought was, but these look kind of like prisoner-esque as well. Or maybe this is the jail and the others prison. I don't know. Anyways, we're walking into Coloane village, and this is basically more of a driving road, but we're gonna walk it slowly. This is where we're coming from, right there. that sign is, oh, here's the police too. Okay, so that one's the police, I guess, with all the fencing. So I'm not gonna stick my camera up in there either, but it'll show you that that is the police by the sign. There's some construction working equipment. We're just gonna keep on walking down. Looks like the sun is just starting to go down, or has already gone down. You can see the sky way in the horizon. Looks like it's a certain look. I like this a lot right here. It's like a little soccer field, and what I like about it is that the field is even, but this hill goes down, so you can see that this wall keeps getting bigger and bigger as you walk, right? So now if I keep my camera like this, you know, that keeps fading away, right? Because I can lift my camera up higher, but I can see the wall is much higher. So yeah, they just kind of kept that completely level, right? So it's kind of cool. So I'm gonna keep on walking down here. So yeah, this is basically the entrance into Coloane, going into Cotai Strip and Taipa and Macau proper. Look at that tree. That tree is kind of hanging off of that. What's this? You can barely see into that. But yeah, this tree is like coming out like that and overlooks the road. Wow. I didn't realize we were going to come across a really beautiful tree like that. You can see the root system. Okay. Cool. A little bit darker. There's some beautiful trees right there too. I don't know if you can see the beauty of that. And now it's going to be nighttime, and we're going to be heading into Coloane, and it's a little bit dark. What the heck is that? Huh. And we're going to be heading into the downtown part. And we'll probably turn off the camera in a little bit. A little bit too dark, but at least you can kind of see how it comes into Coloane village, which is part of Macau as well, but it's more like a little village basically. Ice on me. It's got a few ice cream shops that are very popular in this area. A lot of people come down to Coloane because you have like a nice waterfront. So this might be the end of Estrada Campo. So that was basically that street right there, Estrada Campo. And now we're kind of in this little cool place. And let's see, Calzada do Cartel. It's like a really cool building right there. Look at those balconies. Okay, so we're gonna, this is all typhoon gardens right here. So all these is just to protect against storm surge for typhoons. So we see them all over Macau these days. Okay, so we're just gonna walk and follow it all the way to the waterfront. You can see some little alleys like that. Like that. It's cool at nighttime. Benches. Cool. Okay. This is actually a really popular bakery. Lord Stowe's Bakery. So a lot of people will come in here, get some bakery items. Lord Stowe's, I don't know if you can see that. It's always kind of crowded, right? kind of, it's pretty dark, but I think the imagery is pretty good. It's impressive. So we're gonna come up to the waterfront and then we're gonna end it shortly. So yeah, that's gonna be our final spot right here. There we go. So yeah, that's our waterfront right there, and that's Zhuhai, China over here, and this is Coloane in Macau. Got a beautiful boardwalk. Gonna end it shortly, but it would just go down slightly because it's so kind of cool at nighttime. Okay, so yeah, now you kind of got a little taste of Macau. And lighting's kind of interesting too.